the day. Good morning, Cocos. It's the day. Today we're signing the final act. And we're gonna get the keys. This is not airing, but you get the gist. So we're on our way in the car. This is so exciting. Nerve-wracking. I know, so it's just like 20 minutes from where we go. But the time between now and then, it's just like, yeah. So we're walking to the notary public's office. Woo! This is so real. This is so real, mon amour. Comment? Bah, tu vois pas le panneau, mon amour? Je crois qu'il faut passer derrière, non? C'est parti, mon kiki. Well, I think we have to wait. So we're gonna wait in the sun, because you know the sun is good for you. Ça y est. It's done. Done, 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 done. Il n'y a pas de souci. Et dimanche encore?
Dimanche, ça se fait passer en début d'après-midi.
Ok.
Bonne installation.
Merci.
Hein?
Et pour vous aussi?
Merci.
Ouais.
Merci, bon courage pour l'installation.
Ouais. Homeowners. So we just got it done. You can't see our joy, but we're really happy. N'est-ce pas, chérie?
Bah oui.
Comment sens-tu?
Avec un beau soleil.
Avec un beau soleil pour le faire? So we own a house, like literally we just signed, and yeah, we're gonna show you right now the empty house tour, and you will be with us when we buy all our furniture, and you will, you know, see the evolution. Ah, the only person who is missing is Evo. And I know it seems like I'm extra with it, but this is a big deal. We signed. We own the house. And I'm going to do a video on that for Jamaicans living in France who want to buy property. How do you do it? Tu vois, ils sont là. The Road of Kings, c'est ça? So this is our house, first view. It's not our car. But this is our house. Look how cute it is. I can't wait to take you inside. I'm gonna change the colors and everything. On va ouvrir. Let's open the door together. That's our garage. Woo! My heart is just like beating. We have bamboo in the yard. We're gonna make a big patio here. Of course, you will be with us. This is our door. And we have a dog for the neighbor. We have to go introduce Evo. So you guys are with us in the moment. We're gonna open the door together. Thomas found the key. Attends. 1, 2, 3. C'est déjà tourné. On y va. empty house tour. Bisous, bisous, bisous. Bienvenue dans l'aventure, mon amour. So, chez nous. So this is going to be our living room. We're going to break this wall. A friend of ours is going to come and break the wall. We have we're not gonna open it now. Just showing you. Look at my kitchen. Listen. Look at my kitchen. A few things to change and to add. We even got the fridge with the house. But we're gonna sell the fridge to pay for the cleaning of the house. I have an oven that is in the wall, a microwave as well, dishwasher. Look at my stove. So I will be cooking here and looking there. What else can we show you? We're gonna go upstairs a little later. Downstairs we have our shower. Yeah. And then a corridor, one room, toilets with a little face basin toilet, because in France the toilet and the shower isn't in the same place. Another room, that's the garage, we'll show you another time. And another room, but this room is going to be transformed into a dining room because we're gonna break this wall. Okay, I stopped a bit because it's too much. So now we're going up the stairs. We're going to change the stairs and everything. This is going to be like a music library hub, you know, like just a chill spot. We're gonna put in a bar as well. It's gonna be like a games room. And this is our room. This is where we're going to put our bed and everything. And in coming weeks, we're going to actually create a bathroom here in this room. We're gonna put a nice bath, yeah, and face basin, yes. And this is going to be the creative hub. This is going to be the creative hub. And then that's outside, where when we can, this is a door. So when we can, we're going to actually, oh, ils sont partis?
Hein?
Ils sont partis?
Qui? Ah oui? On n'a pas vu.
Yes, it's a door, and we're going to be putting like a little patio little later on, not this year. We're going to put in a little patio here, something really cool and nice, so that the car can park this up. And we have a little garden right there that we're going to fix up, and you catch rainwater to water the garden. Guys, this is amazing. All right, so as the empty house tour. Trop bien. On est propriétaire. Welcome to the adventure. Oh my goodness, never in a million years I thought that I would be here. And I am here. Just believe. Thomas, on va faire la danse de la maison. Mais il faut qu'on mette une chanson. Il est où ton portable? Quelle chanson? Mette une chanson, cher.
Comment il s'appelle le groupe? Ouais.
On garde les volets fermés?
Bah oui, on sera pas là pour l'instant.
Okay, so we don't move in until a couple days from now, but we This is our house. I can't wait to show Evo the house.
Et vous, il va être comme un fou.
He's gonna be so excited. He has a lot of space to run upstairs, downstairs. This is amazing. I'm going to call the electric company now and the water company so that we can start our lives here. I cried a little because I'm so mushy. But yeah, I cried a little because, when Thomas was outside just now, I rolled in on the grass in big flowers can't come with me. But yeah, this is so real. I just called the water, the light company. We got insurance for the water as well. This is so real. It's like my heart is just batting really fast. Oh no. I never ever in my life things like this would happen to me. But here I am. Come with us on this adventure. It's gonna be amazing. You'll probably see more of Thomas or less. We don't know. But this is it. Thomas Ellis. C'est bon. So we're gonna close. Oh, listen, can you hear? There's a bird. Cuckoo. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching our empty house tour. You will see so much more very soon because I'm gonna actually be baking a cake. I'm gonna bake a cake and go visit all my neighbors. Oy, me dash the flowers. Yeah, I'm gonna bake a cake and visit all my neighbors and say, hey, we are in the neighborhood. Yeah. Last week I planted red berries and mellifère. I don't think them take. Right now it dry. Dry. Ah, mes tomates, ça cherche là. Ah, même le red berry, ça cherche aussi. Le red berry, ça cherche.
Ça fait quoi?
Le framboise, chérie. Il est là,
Elle a
ça
poussé?
cherche, ouais.
Ah bon?
Oui, oui, ça cherche.
Faut pas mettre de l'eau.
On peut mettre un petit peu, mais pas beaucoup. So we're in our garden. This is the back of the house. This is the other side of the house that you didn't see. Ça pousse. On va donner un peu d'eau.
Ouais.
Yes, I planted one little tomato. A little red berry tree, and it's coming. We're gonna water it with rainwater. Voilà, c'est bien. We're gonna put it up. So we have 2 car spaces. Now I'm going to work. Wow, so my 5th graders brought me a whole bag with a little message. Hear what the message say. On vous a pris des nougats et des bonbons et un gâteau. On espère que ça va vous plaire. Bisous et dégustez bien. It's a strawberry with some things in the middle. Look at this. Yo. Wow, French pastry in all its glory. Guys, I just tasted it. Thank you. It's too good. So, got the keys to my house and a cake. The universe is just giving me everything I need. Thank you so much for watching. This has been an amazing experience. We are forever grateful. This is something new. We're excited. We're pumped. Yeah. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more updates on this adventure. Bye.